Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log into Roblox on your PC. Now, logging into Roblox on your PC is very easy. Firstly, you'll have to have your device connected to the internet. After you've connected to the internet, open up a browser on your device. Now, I've opened up the Brave browser on my device. You can choose any browser of your choice. After you've opened up your browser, on Google, type in Roblox and hit the enter button. After you hit the enter button, you'll be redirected to this page. Now on this page, click on this first link. After you click on this first link, you'll be redirected to the sign up page of Roblox. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this login button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on this login button, you will be redirected to the login page of Roblox. Now on this page, you'll have to enter your username, email or phone number and your password and hit this login button. So after you filled in these credentials, just click on login. As you can see, after you filled in your credentials and hit the login button, you'll be redirected to your Roblox homepage. Now you can enjoy all these games at once. I hope this video helped you to log into Roblox on your PC. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.